In this box here, we have some baby chickens. The ones that are a real light yellowish white color are broilers. They're Cornish cross broilers. And the other ones are ISA brown egg layers. They're commercial egg layers. And the other ones are golden comets. These are about 2 to 3 days old. Now, over here, we have some chickens we got about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Let's take this off of here. In there are some leghorns. Ericanas or Americanas. Don't remember which ones we got. They're green egg layers. And then I believe there's some brown egg layers in here too. Don't quite remember what kind. Now, I gotta check the food and water here. Got some water, they need some more food. So we're gonna take these guys here. And I have some pens set up over here. It doesn't take much. I have 2 totes. This one here is going to be for the broilers. As you can see, they got a nice pile of food. And baby chickens, they need some heat. You don't need nothing special. This is a rough surface 75-watt light bulb. Came in a 2-pack. But you don't want LED bulbs because they don't get hot enough or put out. Most of them don't even put out any heat at all. So, as an example here, I have this infrared laser thermometer. Got this light here. See here. As you can see, that's putting out, let's say, see if we can get, it's about, depending on where it hits, it's about 300 degrees. See? 320, about 330. Now, if we come back over here, these are old enough where they really don't need heat. So I have an LED bulb in here just for some light. Now as you can see, that's 101 degrees. And that's just that white part there. We shine on the light itself, it's at 87, 91. So that's nowhere near enough heat for these little guys here. So, I guess we should start moving them over. Take this little guy here. Set him in there. Now, if you were going to put them all together, they tell you can just dump the box out on the floor and they'll be fine. But I want to sort through them here, so I'm not going to do that. And as you can see, they're already going over to the water. They know what's going on. Come here, little guy. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. Should be all of those. As you can see, most of them are going over there to water. I don't know what this one's doing. Maybe he's not thirsty. Getting some food. You're not supposed to walk on the food. Alright. Let's take these out of here. Now, if you know anything about broilers, they grow fairly fast. 8 to 10 weeks, you have a full-grown chicken that's ready to eat. So, here's this one here. That's all of them out of the box. Now we got our baby chicks from Tractor Supply. You can order them online and they'll ship them to you. You pick them up at the post office. This is just more convenient. And for the waterers, we just bought the bottoms and we fill up mason jars and you just screw them on. And the feeder for the broilers, we use an old Chinese food container. And there's just a trough feeder that we bought. Now for lights, this here is a drop light. Here's a lamp. We just got it sitting on a stick to hold it in place. The plans is we're going to try to free range these birds for the most part. We understand that they're going to need some food, but so we get better eggs and better meat, we're going to try to free range them so they have access to it. Even our broilers here, when they get older, they're going to have access to some grass, some bugs, ticks, all that fun stuff. Drink the water. Let's take a look at these guys over here, or gals. Pretty sure most of them are supposed to be hens. Let's see here. The reason why we're keeping them separate instead of just putting them all in here, as you can see, there's a pretty significant size difference. We don't need no bullying going around. When the other ones get bigger and they can hold their own, it's a different story. So keep an eye out for regular videos on these chickens. We're going to try to update you weekly and what's going on. Let's dump this out here and get them some food. And this food here is Chick Starter. It's the Do More brand. It's 24% protein. It's a 50-pound bag. I think it was like $18. And, let's grab some food out of here. Feed these little babies. Spilled some. Don't tell Big Jim Country Boy I spilled the food. They'll get upset. Oh, calm down, you'll be fine. Okay, so just keep a lookout for regular uploads. We'll try to keep you posted weekly on what's going on with our babies. See you in the next video.